What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, I was lucky enough to buy a Porsche Taycan Turbo about a year ago. I was going to make a bunch of videos showing real life living with this car, but of course I've been way too busy and it hasn't really happened. It still might, but right now, to date, it hasn't. But that's not really what this video is about. It's about this, the key. Yes, it's a bit of a big key, I will say. But earlier this week, I got a message in the dashboard saying that the key battery was low. I mean, what? I've only had the car for a year, and let me tell you, I've never changed a key battery before. So guys, this was something new to figure out, in a lot of things to figure out in this car. So I thought if there are any of you Taycan owners out there and you've had the same problem, I'll just make a video to show you exactly how to do it. So guys, first off, get yourself a medium flat blade screwdriver, a cloth, a £1 coin if you're in the UK, or a similar size coin, and of course a brand new CR2032 lithium ion battery. Then guys, you want to turn the key upside down, and where you see the slot for the blade part of the key, just pop a cloth over the screwdriver so you don't scratch the key, and just slide that part off. Then in the gap you're going to see a couple of pieces of plastic protruding on each side of the key. So carefully use the screwdriver to lever these pieces of plastic, and that will release the two sides of the key. Now you'll see the battery compartment, and this is where that coin comes in handy. Use that to turn the cover of the battery compartment. Once you have it turned, just flip it up and you'll see the battery in there with the positive side up. Now flip out the old, pop in the new, again positive side up, and pop the cover back on. A quick turn with the coin and the battery is installed. Now guys, all you have to do is clip the sides of the key back on, pop the blade back in, and boom, you are good to go for probably another year. So guys, hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions about this or anything else to do with the Taycan, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.